The sound is louder. Something is definitely moving here.
There is nothing to worry about. I am here with you.
Honey, did you hear that strange dripping sound?
Yes, Emma, I hear it. Something is moving downstairs. It feels scary, like someone is trapped in basement. We should leave this room now. Something feels very wrong.
What happened, kids? Why are you both looking so worried?
Why are you both looking so scared? What happened, children? It sounds like someone knocking again and again downstairs.
Do not worry, we will check what is causing this sound.
Stay close. Not to panic. We will check together.
Came for your fifth time. Sprout!
The sound is louder. Something is definitely moving here.
There is nothing to worry about.
The sound is louder. Something is definitely moving here.
There is nothing to worry about. I am here with you.
Look at this metal vent is causing the noise.
How does this sound happen? Why was it making such noise?
This sound happens because of air and vibration inside the vent. Air comes from the ventilation system and pushes the loose metal, causing this noise.
I feel better now. It was just a simple problem.
Everything feels quiet now. There is no scary sound anymore. What is inside this box? It looks very old. There are tools inside. Maybe these were used to fix things.
These tools are used to fix things just like the vent.
So people solve problems using these tools? Next time, I will not get scared so quickly.
Fear comes when we do not understand things.
Now we know it was just a simple reason.
Always understand the truth before feeling afraid.
Always understand the truth before feeling afraid. See? Everything is okay now.